Yo, my name is Harry and today I'm gonna show you guys 10 Beatbox pattern for beginner. So, in the very first episode of this series, we're gonna focus on the main three sounds that are the base of beatboxing: the B, the T, and the K. Here is the sound list. And if there are any sounds you guys don't know, you guys can check out my tutorial playlist on my channel, or you guys can check out the video right here in the corner of the video. The first sound gonna be the kick, which is the B, the T, which means the hi-hat, and the K means the K snare. There are many types of K snares, so you can use any of them for this video. This can be this, can be this, can be this. First pattern. Slow. Second pattern. Slow. The third pattern. Slow. Fourth pattern. Slow. Fifth pattern. Slow. Sixth pattern. Slow. Seventh pattern. Slow. Eighth pattern. Slow. The ninth pattern. Slow. And the last one, the 10th pattern. Slow. And that's it for the video. If you guys want to see the next episode or more pattern video like this one, you guys can check out my Beatbox pattern playlist on my channel. And also leave a like so I can know that you guys really like this type of video so I can make more of them. Thank you and see you again in the next video.